you go. And it's finally turning on. So, like I said, I found it worked best using one of these tiny charge cables. It's for the what is it called? The DC port there instead of the USB. So you put one of these things in, and then you pretty much insert the charger in and out, in and out, in and out. And obviously, the best way to have this not turn off on you is when he's charging, you charge it. So you can see it works perfectly. Hopefully this little trick helps others, because I think it took me about 10 days after I changed the screen to get this trick to work. After seeing it online, and now I get it pretty much every time. So hopefully this little turning on these little tablet mini laptop RCA things on with the power cable, hopefully it helps people, because like I said, I must have broken the power button over here when I changed the screen, because you kind of have to pop these out, so it's possible when I put it in back in place, broke the power button. So works, it's wonderful, and hopefully this helps a lot of people. Talk to you guys soon.